Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new project in Edits. Well, first up, go ahead and open up your Edits app, right? Just tap on it, and here on your dashboard, just go ahead and tap on the plus sign, okay? Right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and select a video or a photo where you want it to be a part of your project, all right? For example, this video right here, I'm just going to tap on it until it has the number icon, all right? 1 means you have selected one item, all right? 2 means you have selected 2 items. I'm just going to keep it to 1 and then hit on the check mark right here at the top right. I'm just going to tap on it, and it says here loading media. Now in here, you can now go ahead and add in some audio, text, voice, captions, overlays, sound effects, and also cut out and a sticker. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and add in some audio right here at the top by just tapping on it. And in here, you have multiple options. Now, if you want to, if you have your own music, you can go ahead and tap on import right here. And once that's done, it will be landed right here at the top. If you want your own voice recordings, just go ahead and tap on this icon, the voice. And you can go ahead and dub your video. Now, once you're done with everything, just go ahead and tap on export. Okay, now wait for it. Might take some time depending on the size of your video. After this one's completed, you just created your very first project in Instagram Edits. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.